Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the center, HK, and marking it clearly. This anchors the whole circle. Next, set a consistent scale so 1 unit equals 1 grid square. Make sure both axes are labeled. Place tick marks and lightly draw the X and Y axes to guide you. Once done, confirm the radius value and keep your compass or ruler handy. This preparation reduces errors and speeds the actual drawing step that follows. You now measure the radius r precisely with a compass or a ruler. Accuracy here defines the circle. Place the compass point on the center, open to R, and make a light mark at the rightmost point. Repeat for left, top, and bottom so you have 4 cardinal points. Then, mark intermediate points at 45 degrees if you want a smoother outline. Make sure to keep the hand steady. These marks become guides when you draw the curve. Finally, use the compass or a steady hand to draw a smooth curve through the marked points, connecting the cardinal and intermediate marks into one continuous circle. Once drawn, erase construction lines so the circle stands out. Then verify by measuring several distances from the center to the curve to ensure each equals R. If any distance is off, stop, adjust the offending marks by remeasuring, and redraw that segment. This troubleshooting keeps the final graph accurate and neat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.